In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a tab menu in the Maglr block editor. So in order to place a tab menu, we're going to use the element section for that to add a new element on the left side of the screen here. And scroll down to the tab section all the way down here. And here you will find multiple types of tabs that you can use in your Maglr page by simply dragging them in there. So I'm going to choose this one, the tab variant 2, and drag it in to give it a place, and then you can see the tabs appearing here. So there's 3 tabs by default, and of course you'll be able to expand this to add multiple tabs. And all of these tabs can have their own separate elements. So for example, this one can receive a title, which is the one that opens up by default. So there's always a tab open. I can simply drag in elements here to give them a place inside this tab. Now, in order to add elements to the second and the third tab, we're going to select either one of these tabs, which will open this window here on the top of the screen, which you can use to switch between these tabs. You can see here, there's 3 tabs. I can switch between them here, and then they will open them when I'm clicking them in this window here. So now I have opened the second tab, and I can add elements to this one as well. Change the text, of course. So title, for example, change the title of the tab as well to tab 2, for example. Title of tab 1 could be tab 1, etc., etc. If I want to add more tabs to this, I can also do that by clicking the add item here to add a new tab, and you will find them here in this window as well, the 4th and the 5th one. And to change the order of the tabs, you can do so by using the arrow keys here to set tab 2 above tab 1, for example, or set it back to its original position. Deleting a tab can also be done by using the trash icon here to delete the entire tab. Now to see what it will look like eventually when I'm previewing the publication, by clicking the check button here. And now you can see what this tab will look like. So you can see tab 1 is always being expanded, whichever tab that you're choosing. And I can simply click tab 2 to open that tab and open every other tab that I'm seeing here right now. So that's the way to use tabs, and that concludes the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.